One night, Gordon was at a station waiting for his passengers to get on board, when suddenly Thomas puffed up. "Oh, hey there, Gordon. How are you doing?" "Well, I'm doing okay, I guess. How has your day been, Thomas?" "Well, it's been good for me." "Well, Thomas, I would like to tell you a story about the engine that got stuck in Snowdrifts." "Oh, okay. Well, go ahead and tell me the story." "Oh, okay. But I gotta tell you this quick before my guard blows the whistle." "Okay, go ahead." Once upon a time, once an engine afraid of a few snowdrifts. Its front wheels had been derailed, and a hand put it back on again. "Great story, Thomas." "Well, that was awesome. But anyway, the guard has blown my whistle. I can't force you to carry your passenger train, Thomas. But, see you around then." Alright, Thomas, I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Goodbye. Okay. I just don't feel like filming anymore. Goodbye. So, I heard Thomas told you a story. Once an engine afraid of snowdrifts? Yes? Yes? Yes, dude. What seems to be the problem? Yes, what seems to be the problem here, my friend? Well, for starters, you can't tell Thomas the story. You wanna know why? Because I can, so get off. Get out of here. You get out of here. Well, I was playing hard to get,